joy? How many people still got the joy? Coming after all the things you've been through. You've been through your past and you didn't break.
So here, they got that for those two. In here is where I showed you before. All those, they got some cool vintage lights over here. This one, I thought that was particularly cool. Yeah. Let's see, I thought I saw some controls over here. Let's see. Probably here. Some of these probably fans, some of these probably lights. Okay. There you have it.